Hello and welcome to Adi Labs. Today we are going to have a look at GPS tracking using Adi Mini. So we have a very simple setup in front of us, which is the GPS module connected to a Raspberry Pi. Usually the GPS would be used in order to track the current location. So here we are going to do the same. So you can see a small green color light blinking on the GPS module, which indicates it's receiving a signal continuously from the satellite. So here's the software. The softwares used are Python and Raspbian OS. So now, what are all the data that the GPS would be receiving from the satellite is the longitude value, the latitude value, the current date and current time. Okay, so let's just run the code. As you can see, the code is being executed. Now we are getting the values and suddenly we are routed to a page, a HTML page, which is indeed a Google Maps page. Okay, so how exactly we are routed to this page is a question. So let's just close this page, get back to our code, stop, and let's just run the code again. And we got the values here, as you can see, and we are again routed to a Google Maps HTML page. So how exactly is this possible, right? So let's just understand our code. Okay, so the code is written in such a way that on the values generated, a HTML page, a Google Maps HTML page, as you can see here, should be generated. So that is what the HTML page we are routed to. And where exactly the HTML page will be stored? It will be stored in our working folder. And now if you can see, as I opened the same HTML page, this was the web page where exactly we were routed to. So let me just delete this. Perfect, I deleted it and it's no longer existing in my working folder, as you can see. So let me just go back to my code and run it. So this is just to prove that the HTML file is automatically generated and nothing else. So let's run it and you can see the values are getting, and we are again routed to the same web page. It is not written by me, it is actually an automatically generated by the code itself, as the code is written in such a way. So hope you guys understood this. Thank you so much.